Orange who?
Orange, you gonna give me my pocket knife?
I sense a theme. Totally.
Right back.
Who's there?
Woohoo! Pocket knife.
Pocket knife who?
When are you gonna give me my pocket knife?
What are you going to do with the pocket knife?
Got some string, open box, and stuff like that.
What string do you need to cut?
You know when they tie string on a box?
Mm-hmm.
Once I get my pocket knife, I can cut the string on my birthday presents.
But I have scissors.
Who cares? I'm gonna have a pocket knife.
Are you old enough? Do you think 8 years old is old enough to have a pocket knife?
All I know is that our friend who is 4 and his brother who's 9. 4. A whole bunch of pocket knives.
Angelina, what do you think is the proper age for a pocket knife?
9.
So you think?
Won't be soon for you, knucklehead. You're a knucklehead. Ah! Please. Ah, my elbow. Cut it off. Cut it off. Cut
Say
it
bye.
off. Wait.
What?
Bye-bye. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you're going to stop my kissing me at the end of stuff. I'm just fucking silly.
He loves you. Easy, children. All right, don't make Marty and Bubba glad they're not here. Peace out.
Peace. I need that pocket knife. Give me that. That pocket hold it.